of thousands of fierce warriors from allied territories, and also moves toward Kadesh. Egyptian accounts say the Hittites covered the mountains and filled the valleys and were like locusts in their numbers. King Ramses is woefully outnumbered, but he is not one to back down. Among his troops are warriors from his previous conquests, Nubians, Libyans, and Sheridan pirates. Just hours from their target, Ramses receives intel that the Hittites are still several days' journey away. He decides to make camp with his Amun division. Sheridan pirates. Just hours from their target, Ramses receives intel that the Hittites are still several days' journey away. He decides to make camp with his Amun division. His other battalions, including an elite force from Amuru, are still hours away. Ramses will launch his attack once the rest of his army arrives. But his plan is soon foiled. Near camp, Ramses' guards interrogate two Hittite defectors. They reveal the Hittite army is actually in hiding just across the river. Suddenly, the Hittites' chariots smash into Ramses' Ray division. In the melee, the Egyptians flee and lead the Hittites directly into the sanctuary of the Egyptian king. Ramses faces thousands of enemy charioteers. The pharaoh fights bravely, his pet lion at his side, while the Hittite king waits in safety on the other side of the river. The battle rages, and the Hittites sense victory. But Ramses' elite warriors arrive, giving their king the power to wage a counterattack. Unleashing a fury of arrows, the Egyptians force the Hittites back across the river. Ramses himself describes the scene. I made them plunge into the water like crocodiles. Those who fell down did not rise. Most of the Hittite force drown or are killed, including the king's brother.